Hey everyone! Today I'm pulling back the curtain on the secret life of backend developers. If you've ever wondered what these coding wizards do all day, you're in for a treat. Ready to dive in? Let's go. First off, backend developers are the architects of the digital world. Think about your favorite apps: Instagram, Spotify, even your banking app. The smooth experience you enjoy is thanks to the backend developers working tirelessly behind the scenes. So, what do they actually do? Well, they work on servers, databases, and application logic. They ensure that data flows smoothly between the server and your device. Imagine a library where books are stored, cataloged, and retrieved efficiently. That's essentially what backend developers do, but with data. One of their primary tasks is creating APIs, or application programming interfaces. These are like bridges that connect different parts of a software system. Ever wondered how your weather app pulls in real-time data? That's an API at work. Backend developers also dive deep into databases. They design, maintain, and optimize databases to store and retrieve data quickly. Picture a giant filing cabinet where everything is perfectly organized and easy to find. That's what a well-designed database is. Security is another big part of their job. They implement measures to protect data from breaches and attacks. Think of them as digital bodyguards, always on the lookout for potential threats. Now let's talk about the tools they use. Popular programming languages for backend development include Python, Java, Ruby, and PHP. They also use frameworks like Django, Node.js, and Spring to streamline their work. But it's not all about code. Backend developers are problem solvers. They spend a lot of time debugging and troubleshooting issues. It's like being a detective, piecing together clues to solve a complex puzzle. Being a backend developer requires a mix of technical skills and creativity. You need to think logically and pay attention to detail. But you also need to be innovative, finding new ways to optimize and improve systems. And here's a little secret. Backend developers often work closely with front-end developers. They collaborate to ensure the final product is seamless and user-friendly. It's a team effort, and communication is key, so there you have it. The life of a backend developer is a blend of coding, problem-solving, and creative thinking. It's challenging, but incredibly rewarding. If you're an aspiring developer, consider diving into the backend. You'll be building the foundation that keeps the digital world running smoothly. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tech insights. See you in the next video.